Pac-Man, oh, the great Pac-Man. Yes, yes, Pac-Man, yes. Oh, Pac-Man's dead. He'll be back, yes. The Pac-Man. Hey, lady. Have you accepted Pac-Man as the great Pac-Man? Because, he's Pac-Man.
You're such a loser. How dare you speak to me?
Are you saying you don't have time for Pac-Man? My ears! There's one piece of Pac-Man. Woo! Looking good, Rick. Why, thank you.
Nature Boy, I need your help.
Well, Kelly, I'm always down to help a lady like you. But before and afterwards, we're gonna bang hard.
You see, there's this loser I just met. He likes lame things and actually spoke to me about them as if I was interested.
That son of a bitch. Welcome back to another wrestling night. That's right, and we've got the Nature Boy himself, Ric Flair, prepared for war against another dumb sucker. None other than Pac-Man himself, taken from his wife and kids. And in the crowd today is a Pac-Man fanatic. Not sure he'll like the likely outcome of this one. No, he may just walk home in tears after the Nature Boy's through with his hero. Let's watch. Waka! What's going on? I was just at home with my wife and kids, and now I'm here. I'm gonna teach this punk a lesson. Rick starts things off. Oh, he's just pounding like... Waka! Yeah, woo! Oh, yeah, I can see that fanatic crying now. He can't believe it. Oh, what's Rick gonna do now? Oh, he's just toying with him. Woo! No, he just knocked his eye out and it flew into the fanatic's mouth. He's choking on it. Waka! Woo! I think it's already over. Woo! It's over. Hey, choke that ass. And what's this? Nature Boy's fucking Kelly right in the ring, right after it's done. Woo! What a mess this is. I know, right? But at least that fanatic will think twice before liking a simple game and talking about it. In the afterlife, I mean. Woo!
Daddy, don't forget it's take your daughter to work day.
I haven't forgotten, sweetheart. Have you seen my briefcase? Oh, good girl. Let's go.
Do you think Mommy will be there?
She might be. You want to stay with her, don't you?
No, I just want to say hi and bye. I want to stay with you, Daddy.
Oh, that's so sweet. Daddy needed that, honey. Hey, that's loser parking only. He's not a loser. He's the winner.
Just find another parking space. It's all right.
No, little Marie. It's not all right. Hey, Rick, what are you doing? This is my parking space. Oh, sorry. I'm a little drunk. That's okay. Just pull on out and I can... No. I'm not moving away. Just let it go, Joe. No, it's not all right? Just move it. Oh, hey!
Daddy.
I didn't expect this smart mouthing from you, Mr. Loser. No, that just wasn't right. But it makes no difference. You're getting on my nerve.
Leave my daddy alone.
You be quiet, little girl, or I'll have you put up for adoption. What's in this briefcase? What is it? Oh, the new Buzz toy, huh? Well, that reminds me. I took my Woody and I played with your ex-wife all night long. No. Now here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take this piece of shit car shoe and you're gonna drive it right into the toilet. Woo! Sorry, honey. I'm just gonna do what he says.
Flash Bastard is calling us out. Threatening even Ken World with his bull spit. Rick, what are we going to do?
Now I've heard, Flash Bastard. likes to start shit and beat up Wolfcats in particular. I also know he likes to consider himself one too. Or is that not being sensitive? Tell you what we're gonna do, Kelly Kelly. You're gonna show me your tits, and I'm gonna destroy that dumb son of a bitch.
Hi, Mommy.
For fuck's sake, little Marie. Will you shut your kinhole or do I have to shut it for you myself? Every week I see you for 5 seconds flat and it's always hi mommy this and bye mommy that. Shut the fuck up, you annoying little creep. Go bug your loser father. What's his name? Joe?
Speaking of which, spit cleaner? Yes. Yeah, that's right. You look at my spit. Can I have a raise? $1 an hour's enough for you, piece of shit. Loser. Fucking loser. Joe Loser, you better be careful, or he's gonna lose his spit-licking job. It's time for Nature Boy's workout. Joe Loser runs the pedal while Rick's up above fucking Joe's ex-wife, Kelly Kelly. Pedal faster, you stupid loser. How do you expect me to stay in shape? Woo! Woo! I've gotta talk to you about Rick. He took my parking space and slapped me around.
It's true. Then he made us park in the toilet.
That's hilarious. Then what happened?
You're not setting a very good example for our daughter.
Ow.
You losers are really getting on my nerves.
Hi, this is Flash Bastard, aka the Mad Goose Wizard, and this is a message for the Nature Boy. Woo! Come and get it! Oh gosh. I'm not trying to I want to be sucked by a cow. Scream, Kelly, scream! I love beating up Wolfcats. You wanna die? You wanna die? I'll kill you! Yeah, I can knock you out next time. Next time I'll kill you. Yeah, I'll kill you. She was gonna assault me, so I assaulted her first, and then I started filming. I can run away. I'm having that space. Space time continuum. Woohoo! Nobody can stop me. Dizzy, all of a sudden. Tell me your name and your badge number. 1. I'm supposed to wonder why Daddy's trying to work out, because I gotta beat up Rick. I gotta work out to beat up Rick, and he's really gonna get it. Hurt my feelings.
You suck. Maybe Rick will be my daddy.
You can't walk away from me, no. Flash Bastard took it upon himself to decide it was time for the Nature Boy to retire. He said, Rick, you're through. Little Pug told you I was through. This is the same cat that in front of all of you last week said he identifies as they, them. Yeah, Kelly, I tell you what, I
put her up for adoption. By loser.
In front of you started a cult and groomed underage aluminum. That Flash Bastard also hates the opposite gender. Harasses others in general, unprovoked. I have a desire right now to end him, once and for all, for the well-being of the rest of us. You think I'm afraid of you, Flash Bastard? Now I have to wake up to this every day. Look at this. Yeah, it hurts. It still hurts. I can look at this, knowing that I have taken 2 hammer shots. I've taken your 2 best hammer shots. Now, wherever you are, come out here and let's see what the Nature Boy has got for you. You can't hurt me. God, I want you bad. I want you bad. It's all about the trash. I'm just a trash can. Piece of shit trash. Can stop being trash. Uh-oh, and here's Flash Bastard. What's the Nature Boy up to? He's going out of the ring. What's he grabbing? I don't know. He got a sword. He's got a sword. Oh, wow. I didn't expect that. Flash Bastard doesn't expect that either. He doesn't know what to make of it. It looks like he's running away. You think I'm afraid of you? Why would you run from me? Why? I will find you! Get that camera out of my face! Oh, I just wanted to do evil, stupid things and be a retard. He didn't have to come and attack me. It doesn't make sense. Why would he do it? There could be only one. Woo! Woo! You really hurt my feelings, Rick. I'm gonna make you pay for it. Who the fuck are you? I'm Joe Loser. Oh! Woo! I lost a piece of who I am. Woo! Ah! Hey Rick, maybe you shouldn't have been so rough on him. He is a loser after all. Fuck him! I don't give a shit. Woo! Woo! Nature Boy's the winner. Woo!